Alright, it's day whatever the fuck. I really want to finish up this project. I'm so close. I just keep running into speed bumps and hurdles. So I have gotten one side completely done, tacked in. I now need to clean it up and then put some Bondo on it. This side I still have to get under and finish. I've grinded it away, clean it up a little bit. Let me show you what I'm working with here. So we're under this wheel well. We're getting to these squares right here, which are a nightmare because that's under there in a ridiculous fashion, as you just saw. So I'm finding the best technique to get in there is to turn my head sideways, go in sideways with the helmet. That is how I can see. I just found that out, and man, I wish I figured that technique out before. Okay, I think I did it. I think I'm finally finished. Whew. Whew. All right, let's see if I can show you my handiwork. It's awful. But it's in there. That will prevent any water from getting up into those spaces again. Ugh. Nothing's getting in there. Oh, man, well, that's a good project done. Now on to the last of the Bondo. Alright, so Bondo is done. Now I just need to sand it and prime it, paint it tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. I will catch you guys tomorrow.